And to
Yeah.
So I think it's 3-2. Let's start. For all those who do not know me, I'm Shweta and I run Transcending Belief, which is a one-stop solution for any kind of holistic knowledge, wellness, healing, and counseling. And today, four of our students, Saru, Viola, Minuji, and Rupaliji, are very proud graduates of the Magic of Runes workshop. Today, we are here to showcase them and their abilities, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here. So, I'm going to ask one by one, I'll call out your names. Rupali ji hasn't joined us yet. She is still stuck in school with an examination going on. She's a teacher. So I'm going to call out the rest of my girls here and they will introduce themselves to you. After that, we'll go ahead and start answering your questions. But once again, welcome and thank you for being here. So first of all, Meenu ji, can we have you introducing yourself?
Hi everyone. Hello. I'm Meenu. I am a student of Transcending Belief. Recently, I have certified as a rune reader and practitioner. आज मैं आपके कुछ जो क्वेश्चन आपको परेशान कर रहे हो या कुछ भी गाइडेंस आप लेना चाहते हो विद द रून्स की गाइडेंस से मैं आपको गाइडेंस. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
Thank you, Meenu ji. Viola, can we have you now?
yes, hi. My name is Viola, and I have done this rune reading workshop from Shweta from Transcending Belief, and it has been a wonderful journey. And I'm here now to help. I mean, answer any of your queries or single questions or whatever it can be. I'm here to assist you. Thank you.
Thank you, Viola. And Saru, can we have you introduce yourself? I don't think it is needed, but still.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. I'm Saru. I'm from Punjab, and I've done the rune reading course from Shweta, ma'am. And I think it's a beautiful technique that I've used myself for guidance, for answering small questions that come up in the head as we lead our lives, as we grow. So I'd be more than happy to help you with any guidance questions, any decision questions you want. And thank you all for coming today.
Thank you all. Now, girls, get ready to answer questions. I'm now here only in an administrative capacity and the floor is yours. Please raise your hand and one by one, you can just unmute yourself and ask question to the reader of your choice. So you can specify just three readers से आप question पूछना चाहते हैं and they will answer whatever is your question. So go ahead. Please start asking, and if you need any help, I'm there. Yes, Toshi auntie. Up unmute karo.
Hello, Saru. I can't see you. Where are you? Saru. Yeah, Saru. Hi. I have a question, Saru. It's a landed property. What do you say about it?
Come again, it is?
I mean, we are facing some problem with the property.
Okay.
Will it be resolved soon, or what do you see?
All right, so let's put in a question and ask whether the property issue that you're facing currently, is it going to be resolved in 2021?
Okay, yes.
Okay. So I've gotten, so how I do it is, we pick runes for guidance. And the first rune that I got for you was actually the God's rune, which tells me that whatever is happening is somewhere destined and everything's in place. So I asked for more guidance and I picked up the rune of Birkanan. So this is how that rune looks. And Birkanan tells me that there is a very high possibility of a new home, a new family member. So if this is related to a new house that you're planning to buy, then definitely it is something which is on a positive note. So definitely anything that is related to property will be resolved in 2021.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome.
You can just unmute yourself and ask your question. The girls will answer it. So, okay, I want all three of you to answer one generic question while people here are thinking of them. How is 2021 going to be as an average year for all the people here? So do a combined energy read, an average energy read. Viola, you get so we're at the end of March, April, May, June. Minuji, you get July, August, September. Saru, you get the rest of the month, October to December. So 1 month, one rune.
Yes, okay.
Okay. For all those of you who do not know, runes are basically a Nordic form of divination, and this is an ancient Viking technique. It is so old that इसके कोई written scriptures भी available नहीं है. Everything that has been found on as symbols and inscriptions on the caves and walls. So Saru's got some personal questions on her private chat in Zoom. Saru, you can answer them while Viola is getting ready.
Okay. I will answer this question. The rune that I got for April is this Ingvaz. So this is a rune of peace and harmony, and many new things going to happen or come. So if you are looking like there is definitely peace, there's definitely going to be harmony, and at the same time, any new things which you are planning of, it's going to happen in the month of April. Sorry. So this is for April. For the month of May, I've got a rune, Otila, which is like, it's a like possession, rune of energy. So if we have anything from inheritance, if anybody is having some issues with inheritance or looking for inheritance, so this is one which talks about that. It need not just be about property, it could be even knowledge that you could imbibe from elders or from the family. So this is a rune of getting knowledge or property or any, from where family is involved. And the rune that I got for the month of June is Sovilo. This is a rune of energy and revelation. And it is the only rune which signifies victory. So if you have already working on something, planning for something, then definitely in the month of June, you can look for victory over these things. You can look for the things happening in the month of June. It could be even if someone is looking towards marriage or anything, it could be anything. So this talks about getting victory in the month of June.
Thank you so much, Viola. Viola, Saru, before you and Meenuji move ahead with the year's read, let's answer Bandana and Kamlesh Ji's question. So Bandana, can we have you ask your question, please? You can unmute yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Actually, I want to know about when I will conceive.
Whom would you like this question to go to?
Anyone, no problem.
Okay. So girls, why don't you, both of you do, so this is a two-part question. The first part, Saru, second part, Viola.
Hi, Bandana. I took out runes since you messaged me in the chat box. And I took out two runes, one for shall you conceive in 2021? And there was another question. I broke it down. And will it be till September 2021? So the first rune that I got was Birkanan, which tells me there's going to be, there's a high possibility of childbirth new home, new beginnings is what Birkenam tells me. So I do feel that the rune is telling us that there is a very high probability that in 2021 you shall conceive. However, it might be after September, since the rune for before September was Nodis, which says that the possibility is lower. So after September, definitely I think there is a high possibility for you to conceive.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Most welcome.
Thank you, Saru. Kamlesh ji, can we have your question, please? And then Mehak. Kamlesh ji, you can just unmute yourself and please ask your question. Okay, while Kamlesh ji is unmuting themselves, Mehak, why don't you ask us your question since you've raised your hand?
Sure, thank you. I would like Saru to answer this question. I am trying to follow a schedule for myself, which is a bit challenging for me given the situation in hand. I want to know that, how successfully you think I will be able to do it over the next 3 months.
So I'll want to split it into two parts, this question. The first part would be, will this schedule be implemented? And then let me take the question to the second bit, which is 3-month timeline.
Okay.
So I've gotten two very positive runes. The first rune that I've gotten is the rune which is called Dagaz. This is the rune for transformation, which tells me that, it talks about lifestyle changes, it talks about making the right choices, and it also talks about how there is a barrier. It could be mental, it could be physical, which is finally going to be broken. So anything that you want to do can definitely be implemented. And will it be done in the next 3 months? I have gotten the rune of Gebo, which is the rune of happiness and joy, which tells me, yes, it can be implemented and will be implemented since you've had that thought in your head.
Thank you.
All right. Thank
I
you.
would like to add in here, I mean, as Saru was doing it, just to show that the runes, they give whether Saru picks or anyone picks, they will give the right guidance. So I also picked up for the same question as Saru was doing it. And I got Wunjo, which is again a very positive rune. So it's just to let you know that whatever you're thinking of, it's going to happen. And also for the next timeline frame, that is also like the same within the 3 months. So yes, so it's like there's so much of connection, or there's so much of the same. It's not same things that come up when we talk about rules.
Thank you,
Helps
Viola.
a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Kamlesh ji, can you ask your question? And then Ms. Madhu Agarwal has raised her hand, and she can go ahead.
हेलो
Yes. Yes, Kamlesh ji, we can hear you.
मेरे को यही पूछना था कि अपनी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए जो भी मेरे दिमाग में जो सॉल्यूशंस आते हैं, क्या वो सही हैं या नहीं, मुझे उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए कि नहीं?
और आप क्या चाहते हैं, कौन आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर करे?
एनीवन.
Okay, guys, pick and choose one. Meenu ji, would you like to answer this question? Okay, please do so. And after this, Madhu Agarwal's question is there. Unmute yourself, Meenu ji.
I got Thurisad in reverse, which says कि जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उनका सोल्यूशन कहीं ना कहीं निकलने वाला है, और पॉजिटिव साइन है क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव होना है तो पॉजिटिव रिवर्स में पॉजिटिव साइन है, कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्यूशन निकलने वाला है. अपने आपका इनर सेल्फ आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से बताएगा, कनेक्ट टू योर इनर सेल्फ, और यूनिवर्स भी गाइड करेगा. आप जो सॉल्यूशन सोच रहे हो थोड़ा सा उनपे एक बार और प्लानिंग करो, थोड़ा सा उनको रिव्यू करो, जो भी और रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आएंगे। द रून्स है, प्रेडिक्शन है कि रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आएंगे। आपने जो सोचा है वो शायद अच्छे के लिए ही सोचा है।
थैंक यू मीनू जी। अब मधु अग्रवाल जी।
My question is for Saru. So Saru, I am expecting now. I want to know whether we don't know the gender, so whether it will be a boy or a girl.
So first of all, while Saru is doing the reading, congratulations from all our sides.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Many congratulations, Bhabhi, on that. But I would like to say that I took out 4 runes to understand whether it's a girl or a boy. And to be honest, when I took out a rune for a boy, it says Ingwas, which means, it's like a new beginning, which is a positive rune. Then I took out the rune for a girl, and then it came Vunjo. So Vunjo is also a positive rune.
Okay.
And the kind of reading that I'm getting from this is, if it's not twins, it's a yes for both. So that means the universe is somewhere guiding you to just go with the flow and not worry about, what the gender is, or not prepare buying pink or blue clothes, I think. So it's just guiding you to currently go with the flow, because there is a sense that I get that somewhere at the back of your head, there's a constant thought of, what it's going to be. And maybe that is what, made you put up the question as well. But anything that is going to get you a lot of happiness, that is what the runes tell me. There is no definite answer, honestly, that I'm getting. There's no negative I'm getting for either a boy or a girl for all the 4 runes. But if you want, I can still take out more runes. If you still think
No, it's okay. As long as there's happiness,
definitely,
that's what matters.
because these are 2 of the very positive runes, and both of them are related to new beginnings, and at the same time happiness. There's no disruption that I saw, there's no negative sign that I saw. So I see equal chances for both. But when I took out another rune, it tells me that you have to let go and surrender. Whatever it is, whether it's a boy or a girl, is going to bring you a lot of happiness.
Okay.
I would like to pitch in here again. It is like, for the boy as well as for the girl, it came as, like a very good runes again. So again, I was like thinking, how am I going to answer this? And at the same time, the thought was coming that whatever happens, whether it's a boy or a girl, everything is going to happen for the better good. So if you ask, these are the runes which are very positive runes. One is Evas and the other one was Uru. So they are positive for the boy as well as for the girl.
Okay. Thank you so much.
So और कौन क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है? आप अनम्यूट करके आप खुद ही पूछ सकते हैं. We are very few people, so it's an open house session.
I like to ask Viola.
Who's asking me?
Toshi auntie.
Yes, auntie.
Viola, it's my son's wedding in the month of May. Given COVID situation, what do you foresee?
Okay. I'll pick up a room for you. Auntie, I see a rune which is Turisas but in reverse. So this rune, when it comes in reverse, it's a omen of goodness. So it says that whatever the situation, around you, there will be happiness in your function or whatever you plan. So I don't see any problems coming up for the ceremony or for the function that you must be thinking of.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. And before we move ahead and answer the next question, may I welcome Ms. Rupali Banerjee. She is finally here. Exam khatam hone school se chutti mil gayi. She is the fourth graduate of this batch. So Rupali ji, take 1 minute and quickly introduce yourself, and then we'll move ahead.
Hello, I'm Rupali, and I have learned runes from ma'am, Shweta ma'am, and she is being teaching runes very nicely, and it really is going to help us. Thank you.
Thank you. So can we have the next question, please? So while we are waiting for the next question to come, Meenu,
Shella's trying to talk, but Shella, we can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, now we can.
I have a question for you, Saru. More of a question, it's a worry that I have. For past maybe a year or more than that, whenever my parents or even when I am traveling, I have this very weird kind of worry that something bad will happen. If they're traveling by car, I'm very worried there'll be an accident. If I'm traveling by a train, I feel that this train will flip. I really don't know. There's no third person that I can think of jiske saath I feel this, but it is majorly just my parents and me.
Okay, so I'll just take out a rune for you. Let me ask a question of maybe what's the cause of the worry, right? And what we can do about it.
I have no idea.
Okay,
Genuinely.
so let's understand that. Let me take out one rune which tells me what's the cause and another one to tell me what we can do about it.
Right.
So to understand what the cause of this worry is, I've gotten the rune of Gebo. So Gebo is a very positive rune. It tells me that, there is a lot of love involved in whatever situation, brings worry. So the reason why you feel so worried is because you love them too much, which is very obvious.
Right.
But somewhere there is some sort of a forgiveness that is needed from your end. So go back, think about anybody, any mishap, or even these days, we even relate to the things that we watch on TV a lot, right? Any incident that is stuck in your head or, you relate to with travel, and whatever that incident was, you need to let go of that. That is what I get from Gebo, because Gebo definitely talks about love, but at the same time, it talks about forgiveness. So it could also be, you've had a mishap, or somebody has told you about a mishap during travel, and then you relate it with your loved ones. And what to do about it, even for that, I've gotten the rune of Dagas, which tells me you need to let go of something. So to figure that out, what I am trying to understand from Gebo and what Gebo is telling me is you need to celebrate journey. So somewhere take, like a drive around the block and celebrate it. Like instead of the only way to overcome that fear here I see is to replace it with celebration. So I will not suggest that you go and travel to another city and celebrate that. But let's begin by just taking a drive around the block and celebrate that. Your association with travel might change, and that might help you overcome this fear.
Thank you.
Yeah, and there's nothing to worry about because Gebo is something that is positive. So be at peace. There's nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nupur Agarwal has raised her hand. Can we have her question, please?
Yes, my question for Saru is, will 2021 be better for my mother-in-law in terms of her mental health?
Yeah, I'll just take out a room for you. So the rune that I've gotten for her mental health and how the progress is going to be is Ahvaz. A vase is the rune of momentum. And it tells me that there are a lot of things which she needs to let go of from the past. And there are things that, it's a positive rune. So, yes, it's going to be a good year for her. But there are some steps that she needs to take. And they are on the lines of the fact that she's to first of all connect with her ancestors. That is going to give her a lot of power. That is going to give her a lot of clarity. And at the same time, she's supposed to, there are some things again that, are bothering her. So she needs to accept the change. There is something related to ancestors or, old patterns that she's not being able to let go. So being able to accept the change and move ahead is what I would really recommend for her. But if she keeps moving, then definitely it's a good year. And this also tells me that maybe if she brings bodily movements into her everyday routine, it could be a walk, it could be, even basic stretches, it might help her.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Next, can we have Rajni Gupta and her question?
Hi. So Saru, my question is for you. I'm actually now in the process of starting a website for myself, promoting my scuba diving passion. So what I was asking is this a good time for me to venture into this? I mean, I'm sure you know how I feel about this, but so I'm getting somebody to work on a website. I'm getting out there, and I'm not on social media at all. I'm struggling to know how to use Instagram, but I'm like trying to do all of that. Is this the right time for me? Because I do have the whole support, but I'm still like, I have this 1%. Should I jump into this or not? Like, I'm teaching, but do it at a larger scale.
All right. So I think we as a group can do a reading for that in the form of 3 questions, Viola and Rupaliji, if that's okay. So I can just ask if going ahead with the website is the correct thing. And Viola, you can ask if, will it happen in 2021? And Rupaliji, you can ask if the outside source that she has in mind is okay for her. Ma'am, is that okay if we take it like that?
Please do. And I love you all for doing this together. We are one.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Oh, it's our pleasure. And this session is for them. They've worked very hard to be where they are. They've gone through a lot of tears and a lot of my tantrums when they haven't worked on it. So they deserve every bit of this glory.
I really appreciate this opportunity.
Thank you.
I want to mention one thing.
Yes.
So I was actually thinking, how am I going to log into this? Because I had 4 kids who needed to be taken home, but my car has broken down, and my neighbor then came and took them, and now the driver is coming, and I've got the slot. So I'm meant to kind of talk to you girls. So I know that this is a perfect opportunity for me, and it has just worked out this last minute. So
some things are meant to be, and I'm glad you could make it. So very glad.
So let me begin with the reading. I took out a rune to understand if, this is the right thing for you to do. And the rune that I got is the rune of strength, which is Uruz. Uruz tells me that, firstly, it's not going to be easy. It's going to need all kinds of strength from your end, whether it's emotional, physical, even a lot of mental strength in terms of decision making. So go ahead, have clarity, and strive through it. Don't give up. That is what I would say. Viola, you can take it ahead.
I will. And the question that I asked was, should I give it a try in 2021? And I got a rune of Jera, which is a very positive rune. and it talks about projects and new things that you're going to do. And it talks about giving success to those projects. So yes, as Saru mentioned, that you have to put in a lot of strength. So continue doing that, and whatever efforts you're going to put in, you're going to get rewards for it, definitely. Whatever new projects you take or whatever you want to do, you will get, and if you work for it, you will get rewarded for it.
Thank you.
Now the last question is your whatever the external will it be there or not? Yes, the runes that I got is Wonzo, and it is a positive rune. And yes, if you're going to plan and goals accordingly and aligned it, good fortunes are there. Definitely you're going to get positive results.
So congratulations, you not only have a good website in hand with positive news, but also the fact that the website provider that you picked up is the right person. So that's great. So we have two more people who've raised their hands, Rian and Deepika, but Toshi auntie has requested me that she would like to ask 2 questions and then she has to go somewhere. So she'll be logging off. So Rian and Deepika, please, I'm so sorry, 2 minutes aap hame denge so that we can quickly answer Toshi auntie's questions and then move ahead with you.
Thank you so much, Shweta. This is for Rupali and Minu as well. I want you both to do the reading for this, you know. Will I be able to travel abroad this year?
कहाँ plan कर रहे हो? मुझे भी ले चलना.
हाँ चलो ना श्वेता यार, we'll make it together. US, where else?
चलो हम दोनों चलते हैं.
Most welcome.
So Meenu ji and Rupali ji, first Meenu ji you can answer, then Rupali ji you can answer, and then we'll go to Rian and then to Deepika Nagar.
Unfortunately, I got Lagos in reverse. So if I will suggest Salma travel karo.
I didn't get you, Meenu ji. दोबारा repeat करें.
Can I speak?
कीजिए.
Let her come.
Meenu ji, can you type your answer because your voice is not clear? Just type your answer in the chat box and Toshi auntie will get it. Till then,
Yeah.
Rupali ji, can you give the answer? And Saru, will you
Sure.
just act in the meeting for 2 minutes? I need to take an urgent call.
Yes, I'll do that, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Toshi ji, the rune that I got is Isa, and it says that you have to be patient. The betterment, better use to stop for this year. Better chance will be coming as there will be challenges. So you have to wait for some time.
Okay, thank you. I knew the answer, but still, you know, I said, okay.
Yeah, I know you are excited.
Okay, guys, I have to go somewhere. Thank you all, Viola, Rupali, Meenu, Saru.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lovely connecting
Thank you.
with you all.
Thank you,
Thank
auntie.
you so much for coming.
Same,
my God.
Thank you, auntie. Thank
क्या
you for
मीनू
being
जी?
here.
Same thing I was saying कि आप अभी hold करो, आपके लिए favorable नहीं है conditions traveling के
Okay.
लिए.
Okay, thank you.
हाँ, same thing
कोई
I
बात
was
नहीं.
saying.
कोई बात नहीं, Toshi auntie. You and I and the entire group of
We go
Cash and
together.
Transcending, we'll go together for a retreat next.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then we'll have
आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
बड़ा मजा आएगा.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Thank
Can
you.
we have
Bye.
Rian? Bye-bye.
Okay,
Take care.
even Manish has a question, so please, I mean.
So let's do it this way. So let Rian first start because they've been raising their hands for a long time. Then Deepika and then Manish can do it. Okay?
Sure.
Sure. Rian, we cannot make out what you're saying. There's a lot of disturbance. Can you please repeat once again? Okay, so Rian will ask her questions after Deepika. She'll just set up her headphones. Deepika, can we have your question, please? Deepika Nagar.
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, my question, Saru and Viola, they both can answer. Okay, now the thing is that my husband is looking for a job change since a very long time. He's been truly working very hard to get it also, but not able to get through anyhow. Okay, so I just want to know whether in the near future will we be hearing some good news on that front or no? Thank you. So Saru, you can, and Viola, you both can answer the question. So
All right.
let's see.
Yes, but yes, Saru, go ahead.
All right. So, hi, Deepika. Thanks for the question. And I took out a rune for you and asked the question if a job change will happen. All right. So, the rune that I got is Ansus, but in reverse. So, Ansus is basically a rune which tells me that, he's looking for new beginnings. But when it comes in reverse, it signifies that the person lacks clarity and he's not being able to communicate what he really wants. So in this case, I don't think the job change is going to be happening anytime soon. But to be able to make that happen faster, what Ansus is telling me is the potential of new beginnings lies in having clarity. So maybe he needs to talk to people more. He needs to talk to himself more and try to get clarity on what he genuinely wants. Because Ansu somewhere is telling me that there are some things which are hidden from him which he's not being able to realize. So I think that's what the rune is telling me. But
yes, so Deepika, I mean, to add on to Saru, I got a similar rune. I got Barkanan in reverse. So Barkanan, if it is a positive, if it's not a reverse, it's a rune of fertility and growth. But since it is in reverse, it indicates issues, it indicates chaos. So as she said, he would have to do some work around it in the sense as, be clear what exactly, be very clear with the job which he wants to find. And then there could be also, it also talks about, this talks also like domestic problems, like at home, there could be issues. So if he is at peace over there, if he works on that front, then he'll be able to get success. So this few months or 2-3 months, he would have to make efforts to ensure that there is peace within himself.
Okay, what could be done for that if I could
so
get
that
some
would be
help
the second
on
question.
Okay, so Deepika, while Saru and Viola are taking out a rune for that, let's go to Rian. But before that, there's something I want to add to you, Deepika. More often than not, what we perceive we need and what we actually need or want are two different things. So the best way of dealing with it is to actually see कि क्या जो मैं मांग रही हूँ या जिसके लिए हम पीछे भाग रहे हैं, is it in alignment and sync with what we truly need and desire? Because more often than not, there's a big gap between the physical world and the emotional and mental needs. अगर वो है, तो आप जितना मर्जी work कर लो, successful नहीं हो पाओगे. So the biggest and the best possibility is sit down with a piece of paper, make 2 columns, what you really want and what you're working towards. If both of them coincide, then just give it time. Things will fall into shape. But अगर by chance वो situation नहीं है ना, then you need to see कि जो आपको वाकई में चाहिए, from the core of your heart, you have to start working towards it then.
Okay.
So that is personally what I always tell all my students. Paper लो, pen लो, 2 column बनाओ and लिखते चले जाओ. The more you write, the better clarity you will have. And then it's easier for you to work ahead. So now, have you taken out the rune to answer her question, girls? Please answer her so that we can go to Rian, Manish, and then Yash.
So I'll go first, Viola.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Listening to Sir.
So Deepika, the rune that I got about what can be done is Ingwaz. So this rune tells me that there are a lot of opportunities, good opportunities that are right now in front of him. He needs to grab those opportunities, because there can be either two things in this situation. Either he's not clear about what he wants, and number two, he is not taking what is coming in front of him. So both of them are actually correlated, right? So if he feels that he's clear about it, I think if there's any opportunity, this is the time to grab it. Because Ingwas tells me that there will be new beginnings. Ingwas is definitely a positive rune. So as even the previous one was suggesting, Ansus in reverse, that once he gets the clarity, there is definite change of job or whatever he wants. It might be that this is the opportunity, the job that he's in, maybe that's the right one for him. You never know, but that all depends on his clarity of mind.
Okay.
Right. So somewhere I do feel he's not very clear on what he wants. Otherwise, there are good opportunities showing up for him.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and so the same here, the rune that I got is Noddies, which again talks about being clear and have very clear vision in mind. At the same time, it also talks about that if you are not clear, you can take help of elders whom you think who can give you a good advice. And like take a proper decision, a proper call if the opportunities come in front of you. Once that happens, once you take that decision, or once you are very clear, then the flow will come very smoothly.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepika.
Thank you, Saru. Thank you, Viola.
Most welcome.
Hello. Diane, can we have your question?
Yes.
Yeah. So actually, my name is Anuja, but I'm logging on my son's account. So my question is actually, see, we have problems, right? I'm a personality who always go with the flow. So my thing is, at point of time, we are in a situation. At that time, there are always two scenarios. Should I go with the flow, or should I think, or should I take a stand? Because I cannot say no to anybody, so I always go with the flow. So what is correct for me?
And whom would you like to get this question answered?
Anybody.
Okay, so why don't Rupali ji, you take out a rune for this, and Meenu ji, you also take out a rune for the same question. Okay. Viola, you and Saru can also take out. Let's see what 4 different people get for one single question. We already know what 2 get. Let's see how it complements and weaves into one single pattern.
Shall I start?
Yes, Meenu ji.
हाँ जी, तो अनुजा जी, आपके लिए जो फर्स्ट आपने सोचा है ना कि मैं गो विद द फ्लो, ये मेरे लिए राइट है। पहले के लिए आपके आया है उरूज विच इन रिवर्स। शायद आपको कहीं पे कोई चीज आप कह नहीं, मतलब आप इतनी फील करती हैं कि हाँ, कोई चीज अगर गलत हो रहा है तो उसको मना करें। इतना करेज, लैक ऑफ करेज थोड़ा सा रहता है, तो आप सोचती चलो ठीक है, जैसे हो रहा है वैसे होने दें, और एंड आई शुड गो विद द फ्लो, आप ऐसे सोचती हैं। तो और दूसरा जो रूम आया है, जो आप बोले, दूसरा रूम आया है वॉरियर का। वॉरियर है कि आप गलत चीज नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकती, आपको लगता है कि ये राइट है तो राइट ही, आप तो आपको राइट के लिए ही खड़े रहना है, स्टैंड आउट फॉर राइट। एंड
सो मेरे लाइफ
में कहीं कोई चीज
हाँ, सो मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा होता है, मैनी अ टाइम्स मैं हमेशा धर्म संकट में ही होती हूँ, बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट से द राइट थिंग। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अगर सच्ची बात बोलूंगी तो वो क्या होएगा कि बहुत केओटिक सिचुएशन ये करेगा। सो मेरे केस में दिस इज फ्रॉम बचपन यही हो रहा है, तो मैं हमेशा हमेशा गो विद द फ्लो, देन होता है कि छोड़ दो। तो बट मेरे लिए पर्सनली, मेरे लिए, बिकॉज नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी आर एट अ सर्टेन सिचुएशन ऑफ आवर लाइफ। सो मैं अब तक तो हो गया, झेल लिया, बट अभी झेलना चाहिए नहीं झेलना चाहिए, या गो विद द फ्लो ही होना चाहिए, दिस वाज एक्चुअली द थिंग इज।
Okay, so I think let's move on to Rupali ji. Rupali ji.
Okay.
The rune that I got is always, and here it is saying that if you please do not worry, and just take a clear vision and just rely on others, and then only you can achieve success.
Okay, thank you, Viola.
So that says that I don't have to take any stand.
No,
right?
wait. I would say, Anuja, wait. Let them complete, because this is going to come down to one crux, which is only 50% complete. Viola, what did you get?
Yeah, the rune that I got is Kenaz, which says that listen to your inner voice. Whatever is your inner voice, that is really guiding you. Take a step, take a moment, relax, and then you will be able to take a call. So now, Saru?
Yeah. So, Anuja, the rune that I've gotten for your question is Manas. Manas, whenever Manas comes for a question, it tells me that the person loves to collaborate with people. You always work for a greater cause. So, until and unless you believed in, thinking of the greater good, you would have not faced this dilemma in life, right? So I think the fight that you're having presently is accepting that this is what you like. You like working for the greater good. You like being in collaboration with people, for a greater cause, even if it means that it's not in your best interest at that moment. So the gratification that you get from everything is what Manas tells me drives you in such situations. And that is why, you end up taking the decisions that you're saying you do. And I think that's a very positive thing, because you don't have to be hard on yourself and think that you don't stand up for yourself, because I think you're driven by different motives, and your motive is not just be nice to myself, but work for a great. Yes.
No, but now I would like to round up this with one more point of view for Anuja. Anuja, remember one thing. There's a bigger picture, and the bigger picture is always bigger than you. But without you, there is no bigger picture. So there will be times that you will have to choose yourself before the bigger picture. So when that comes, I'm not saying do it every time, do it 10%, 50% or 40%, but connect with your inner self and find out kahan mujhe apne liye khada hona hai and kahan dusron ke liye. And then take a call. If you don't maintain that balance, you will be a very unhappy person, because under the satisfaction of life and joy nahi hoga. And trust me, when you are not happy with yourself, it doesn't matter how much happiness you give out in the world, it's still not satisfactory.
Thank you. So this was only thing, because I do it all the way. This practice has been since long, and I always surrender to Almighty. Whatever He tells me, I am there. I am always flexible. So I just wanted to, because many a times right now in some situation there are always a controversy. You should take a stand. You should take a stand. So this was actually.
And you should. No, and Anuja, you should, because I am telling you one thing. The day you take a stand for yourself, the world in itself, the entire universe will take a stand for you. I have learned this in a very bitter and very hard way. Luckily, it came to me very early in life. I was like you, a people pleaser, har cheez dusron ke liye karni thi. I did not exist in my life till one day I realized I was just going to stop existing. And then my journey began. So you have to create that balance. The day you create the balance, you will really bloom. Andar se, soul. Your soul will be a happy being. And that is all that matters. And I would love it if you would join us in our book reading for Simple Abundance. Saru, can you just get the group link and share it with her here on the group? So whoever wants to join in can. Now, can we have Manisha's question, then Yash, and then Shuchita aunty.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Anuja.
So, hi, this is Manishka, and I would like to pass this question to Saru. So, I'm just curious to know if I will get a good boom in my career this year.
Hi, Manish. So I'll just put in a question as to how 2020 will be career-wise for you. Is that okay?
2021, Saru.
Yeah,
2021.
2021.
Exactly.
All right. So, Manish, I don't think I can see you, but let me answer your question. The rune that I have gotten is Fehu but in reverse. Okay. So, Fehu in reverse is telling me that somewhere you're planning to start on a lot of things. There are a lot of materialistic goals that you've set for yourself, but you are not being able to use the resources that you already have to the best of their capacity. Fehu tells me that you must recognize that what you have needs to be first utilized to the maximum to be able to go to the next step. So, what I would suggest for 2021 is plan a little more. Don't start anything very, very crucial in this year. Instead, maybe list down all the resources that you have, whether it is even your family for emotional support, your people who can help you with finances, your own assets. You're missing out on some things which are present, which can help you take yourself to the next level. So don't start anything very crucial. Make a list, strategize a little more. Is there anything else that in relation to this that you want to know?
Manish, are you there?
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't get it.
What she's asking you is, would you like to know anything else about the situation?
Actually, I have the plan of starting a new business actually. So, the main reason to ask the question is that actually. So I have the plan of starting my own.
Okay.
I've gotten, I took out another rune to say that, is this business the right business? So definitely, I got the rune of Ingwas, which tells me this business has a lot of potential, keeping in mind what your plans are. But starting in 2021, is that the right thing? I will still ask you to just review your assets, just review what your entire plan is, and also you need to consult somebody if possible. Get in touch with the people who can help you as consultants. Develop assets even in that area of your life before you start anything. The idea is great because it shows me a lot of potential.
Okay.
But yes, but do be very thorough on whether you're using your resources. Again, I would like to emphasize on that point, Manish.
I would like to add on here, Manish. So
Yeah.
the first rune, whether you will, how this 2021 will be, the rune that I got is Evas, which is a rune of momentum, rune to move on. But it also says that there will be challenges. So you have to find out, it is you who have to find out what are those challenges and work around that. If you fix that up, then you'll be able to move ahead. So that means, again, it is not immediate. It will take time because you will have to understand what are the challenges, what are stopping you. And then with the next question, if you have to start a business or whatever you're doing. So yes, again, that is, a positive rune, which is the Gaz. So as Saru said, yes, you will get success in that, but it's a slow process. It's not like overnight. You have to work, you have to analyze, you have to find what is stopping you, and then take a call or take a decision.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, girls. Can we have Yash Gupta and his question, please?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
My question is for Saru. So I'm planning to start a business, and so will I have to wait for that, or start right away. Just want to ask that.
Okay, hi Yash. So let's ask the runes if you should begin the business in 2021.
Yeah, sure.
All right. So the rune that I got for you is the rune of Manaz. So Manaz tells me that if there are any contracts that you're getting into, Yash, I recommend you to highly consult somebody before you enter any legal contract, right? And once the legal part of it is sorted out, it can be a good time for you to start it,
Okay.
right? It also tells me that you are doing something which is keeping in mind a broader perspective. You have a broader perspective. You have maybe the goodwill of mankind or humanity in mind. So
Yeah.
as long as you're going, yes, okay. So as long as you're going on those lines and you're double checking everything legally, especially your contracts, it's a positive rune for starting a business in 2021.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you, Saru. Shuchita auntie, can I have your question and then Swapnil Thakur? We'll have
Yeah.
yours here.
So, hi everyone. So, my question is for Rupali ji. I would like to ask Rupali ji that one of my siblings' daughter, daughter is quite young at age and she's facing a temporary challenge, like physically, she is facing the situation of rheumatoid arthritis. So, I would just to ask you at that when and how soon will she be cured and be healthy again?
When and how?
When and how soon? Yeah.
When and how soon? She's not asking कि किस modality से या कैसे ठीक होंगी, but कितनी जल्दी होंगी. So when
Yeah.
and by what time? In what time frame will she get well?
And will she be cured and be healthy again?
So there are 3 questions in this one single thing. Okay.
So I think Viola ji, can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Viola,
Yes,
unmute.
yes. Help.
Okay. So Viola ji, you just tell.
Yes.
You take up one question and the rest of the question I will do.
Which one do you want me to pick up?
Just you tell me.
Will she be cured?
Ha.
Okay.
No. I have the question is that when and how soon? Like I want to know the time frame. Basically, the time frame. My most important concern is the time frame.
Viola, I want you to answer the question, will she be cured? Rupali ji, I want you to answer the question.
No.
Time frame. No,
I'm
one second. I understand, Shuchita auntie, just wait. Rupali ji, answer the question 2021 and for 2022 first. Okay, and Saru, I want you to take up June 2021 specifically, till June 2021. And Minuji, I want you to take up April and May only in hand. Break it up, guys. Viola, are you ready?
Yes.
Please answer. And then one by one, girls, quickly take it up.
So the first question is, will it be cured? So yes, definitely yes, because this is a positive rule. This is Ingvar's, which it is yes. So now we'll ask about the time frame.
So who's got the first time frame? April and May, Meenuji.
Yes, I too got for
Meenu ji, we've lost your voice again. Rupali ji, can you continue? And then Saru, can you continue? Because Dagar, okay?
Yes, definitely it will be cured. But आप पॉजिटिव रहना और अच्छे जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको अच्छे मतलब डेप्थ में जा करके कि हाँ जहाँ भी प्रॉब्लम है उनसे कराना है। और सेकंड की अप्रैल और मई के लिए मैंने निकाला है तो रिसार्ज इन रिवर्स आया है, विच सेज कि इट इज अ गुड साइन, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स आएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आना शुरू होगा एंड
Okay, Saru, what did you get for June?
So, ma'am, the rune that I got is always for June.
Okay.
And it tells me that, you know, there's going to be increased healing capacity. And it also says that you should just be aware of people's advice and, you know, take charge of your emotions. No, don't be too emotional about it because the healing is coming, but don't get double-minded about maybe the kind of procedure you're doing or maybe the kind of medicine that we're taking, because it could also mean a bit of misleading advice at that time.
Okay, thank you. Rupali ji, can you sum it up for 2021 and 2022? Saru, can you see Rupali ji? I can't see her anywhere.
I can't see her either.
Okay, I think she's got logged out. Shuchita aunty, why we had two questions. The first question being, will it be cured or not? Was because कभी-कभी कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो cured नहीं होती हैं, either due to karmic issues or whatever it is. There are certain times when something comes in life and it doesn't go back. So that is why the first question has to be, क्या हम heal कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? If the healing is possible, then we talk about time frames. Because suppose the answer comes that healing is not possible with this current energy, then the first thing we need to set right is कि वो energy ठीक करे. जब तक वो energy ठीक नहीं होगी, हम उस पे work नहीं कर सकते. So in that case, I would have asked the question, what should we do to make this healing possible or to cure this problem? Now, I want to tell you all from personal experience that rheumatoid arthritis is one of the biggest signs of control, irritation, anger, and rigidity. Now, and can I ask how old is this child right now?
Early 20s.
Early 20s. So she's not very young. She is like young. हमारे लिए होता है early childhood, so 0 to 8 or 9. So since she's beyond that, some way or the other, she's trying to control her life and being very rigid about what she believes in. जब ऐसा होता है, so all the nerves and all the tendons of the body, they tend to start stretching. एक टाइम आता है जब उसकी elasticity खत्म हो जाती है and arthritis starts setting in. Now, one thing I can suggest right now for your niece is Harshringar के पत्ते का काढ़ा. Harshringar is a white flower जो भगवान शिव की पूजा में चढ़ता है ना. So उसके flowers आपको नहीं चाहिए. You don't need the flowers, auntie. You need the green leaves. Every day 2 से 3 पत्ता ले लीजिए हरा, उसको 1 glass पानी में तब तक boil करो till it's only 1/4 left. Strain it, and she should have it without eating or drinking anything. So before she has her morning tea or coffee, she should have this. It's a very bitter brew. Semi lukewarm ले ले या warm ले ले, जितना गर्म पी सकती है, it will be beneficial. Have it with good or honey for the best effect. She should take it for 6-7 months. Within 15 to 20 days, it should show her good results and effect. This is something I've tried for my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is also an arthritis patient, and she also has rheumatoid arthritis only. This is something you can try. Now, can I have Swapnil Thakur's question, please?
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, auntie. Thank you.
Thank you, auntie.
Swapnil, can we have your question?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
Yeah, so I had actually multiple questions. If that's okay.
Please go ahead. Ask us one at a time and we'll answer all your questions.
Okay, so you know, with this lockdown and work from home situation, I came, when the work from home was announced, I came back to my hometown from Bangalore, and in this May it will be 1 year, and I'm planning to go back because I just feel that my life is at a standstill right now. Matlab, I am not able to fulfill all to my potentials and all. So I just want to go back and कुछ scope नहीं दिख रहा वहाँ पे. मतलब I've talked to a friend also. He also wants to go there, and we are
So where were you, Swapnil, 1 second, where were you working earlier, from where you and कहाँ थे आप पहले?
Bangalore.
And from Bangalore you came back to your hometown, which is?
Jamshedpur.
Okay, Jamshedpur. Thank you for clarifying that. So we'll break it up. This would be the first part of the question. Do you have any preferred reader you would like to ask this question to?
No, anyone
No.
else.
Okay, so Viola, I want you to answer this question. What is stopping him from moving ahead or from getting the opportunity or clarity that he needs? What is stopping him from moving ahead in life right now? Swapnil, please continue with the rest of your question.
So actually, I have a friend who also wants to go back to Bangalore. We're actually working in the same company, and we are supposed to be flatmates. But वहाँ पे कुछ as such कुछ sense नहीं बन रहा. Like no one, anyone और मतलब कोई friends वापस नहीं जा रहे हैं. Or the company is also not keen कि if work from home is there, you just be
Work
there.
from home. Okay.
From only, but it's been 1 year also, so like यहाँ पे उतना freedom नहीं जितना चाहिए, like.
Okay. So Rupali ji, I want you to answer the question whether it is advisable for them to go back to Bangalore, to the same company. Swapnil, what else would you like to add on to it? Any other questions?
Will he be a good roommate for me, matlab, my friend?
Okay. Saru, this question comes to you. Then Saru, with this, I want you to take out one additional rune. Will there be a new opportunity, the right opportunity, not just a new opportunity, but the right opportunity? Okay. Viola, you can start whenever you're ready.
So the rune that I got, the question that was asked is, what is stopping you from getting the right opportunity or moving ahead? The rune that I got is Algiz. It is a good rune. It says you need to connect again, like your thought process. Are you very clear with what you want? Are you doing any efforts around that? That like looking at what options are there, or working in that direction. Probably there is a lot of confusion right now going on in your mind. So the best thing is to sit, analyze, make a decision, and then you'll be able to move ahead.
Okay, Rupali ji, can I have your answer, please?
The rune that I got is Ansus. This is a good rune, but it is saying that you had some confusion at times. So you just ask from the elders' advice in your members, in your family members only. So then unexpected changes is surely going to come.
Okay.
Okay. Saru, what did you get?
So the first question I asked for you was to know if the roommate is right for you. And I've gotten the rune of Jera. So this is a very positive rune. It says that the person is right. He's correct for you. The person is correct for you. The second rune that I took out was to understand, are there any opportunities coming up? So good opportunities for you. So the first rune I got was God's rune, which tells me that somewhere, whatever's happening right now, whether you call it a little stopover in the career or maybe some frustration, that is all destined. But I took out another rune for you, which tells me that you need to evaluate the situation. As Rupali ji was saying, this is the rune which is called Algiz, right? So Algiz tells me that there is a method to this madness. So first of all, try to evaluate your present situation. Try to strengthen what you already have, right? Instead of wanting more and being in that mind frame and which is a bit emotional, because you want to grow, you have your dreams and your emotions come in. I would highly suggest that right now, whether it's the job that you currently have or maybe some opportunities that you're getting, evaluate them without being biased. That is where the answer lies. It might not be a very great opportunity which is coming presently, because you're not being able to actually understand the weight of the situation around you, the weight of the opportunity which is actually in your hand.
Swapnil, I would just recommend one thing. As I had suggested somebody else also, I think Deepika, it is time to evaluate कि आपको क्या चाहिए और जो आप path पे जा रहे हो क्या वो fulfill करेगा या नहीं करेगा. For example, if my bigger concern or if my true dream is to, just contribute to society and I'm running after money, ना तो पैसा मिलेगा ना contribution कर पाऊंगी. I will always get stuck in the middle because I'll be confused कहाँ भागूं. So as long as I'm clear that my main agenda is contribution and I work towards that, money will automatically be a byproduct.
Okay.
So एक बार evaluate करके देखिए कि आप जिस चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हैं क्या वाकई में वो आपका bigger picture fulfill करता है. Because अगर नहीं करता है ना, तो probably it's time to change the picture or change the path towards getting to the picture. Because I don't have my runes in front of me today, so I'm not reading, but the sense I'm getting very strongly, and the message I'm getting for you is that perhaps this company is no longer the right company for you. And this will not help you fulfill the purpose for which you came. So that's why I'm asking you, please evaluate and see. Okay?
Yeah.
Anything else that we can help you with, Swapnil?
Just one more question.
Sure, please.
Don't know. I've been feeling that lately the connections with the people I have, the people around me, my friends, my family, and many others, I'm losing a little, connection with them, a little connect with them. Right.
Okay. So, and we would like to know why is this happening with you, or how can you work on it?
Yes, both the things actually.
Both. So,
Like
Viola and Saru. Viola, why is he struggling with connecting with people whom he's loved and who are beloveds in his life? Saru, the second part. What can he do? Viola, are you ready?
Yes, the rune that I got is the Dagaz. So here there is a situation where you need to surrender. At the same time, it talks about there is a disconnect between what your mind wants and what your heart wants. So probably this is the reason you're not being able to connect with your friends or with the people around you. What this rune also says is some lifestyle changes may be needed on your part to get your mind and heart in sync. So look at what probably something has happened, which has impacted you. Look at that. Think what you have got a lesson to learn from there, and then you'll be able to, you'll find your relationships getting better.
Okay. Saru?
So Swapnil, I took out a rune to understand what you could do in this situation. The rune I got is Tivaz, but in reverse. So it tells me that somewhere there's a bit of shyness and innocence to you, your entire personality. And that is what you need to overcome. So if I connected to what Viola was saying as to why it's happening, there are some changes, some lifestyle changes that, are needed. And that completely relates to Tavaz, which tells me that there is some innocence and some shyness which stops you, which hinders you. So the moment you overcome that, and the more you overcome that, you'll be able to talk better, you'll be able to connect better. It is not that the points of connection are missing, it is not that the love is missing, it is just that you're feeling, you yourself are holding back. See, the people are not judging you, and that is what Tavas tells me. Go out there, and there are plenty of people who really want to talk to you and connect to you.
Swapnil, I will just tell you, add on one thing to whatever they've said. जब हम अपने आप से disconnected होते हैं ना, दुनिया से connect नहीं हो सकते. And जब हमारी professional life अच्छी नहीं है, जब हमें बाहर से वो dues नहीं मिल रहे जो हमें चाहिए, when you know our entire desire wants us to walk a path and वो नहीं हो पा रहा है, the first thing we lose connect is with ourselves. Talk to yourself. Love yourself. Accept whatever is happening is just a phase of time and this too shall pass. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो नहीं pass on होता. The day you connect with yourself, no, आपको सबसे वापस connect मिल जाएगा. ये मेरा promise है आपसे.
Okay. मैम, एंड वन मोर थिंग, ये जो लाइफस्टाइल चेंज था, मतलब स्पेसिफिकली कुछ पता चल सकता है व्हाट लाइफस्टाइल चेंज?
So see, what lifestyle change would take a little more time because we'll have to understand the lifestyle that you're living right now. But more than anything, what I would like to add on here is that lifestyle changes में जब बात आती है ना, it is nothing except connecting with yourself, spirituality, giving time to your core needs. Core needs बाहर की needs नहीं होती हैं. Core needs वो होती हैं जो हमारे अंदर होती हैं. So a good healthy diet, some kind of an exercise, and I'm not talking gymming, I'm not talking weightlifting. I'm talking spending time in nature, walking, meditating for a while. Then with all of this, make sure you get a lot of sleep, enough sleep. Times, you know, early to bed, early to rise,
Nice.
that you need to follow. And I think you do not follow that. That much I'm sure. Your entire energy balance doesn't set over there. And try and, you know, question yourself before you get into anything. As a friend, as a son, is this really what I want to do? So I'm not saying parents kuch bolte hain mat karo, karo, but with the clarity whether you're doing it for yourself or for your parents and for that relation. With this, all these small things, you know, you will get a better, clearer picture about your own self, and lifestyle changes फिर जो आपको लेने होंगे वो अपने आप open up होते चले जाएंगे.
Okay.
Because I mean, I'm sure one of the girls could really help you out with this after the session, because they will need to understand first your entire life and how you live, and then take out runes accordingly to cross question what kind of changes do you need to put in. Okay. So we'll be sharing their numbers, and you are more than welcome to get in touch with them whenever whenever you would like to.
Okay.
Thank you, Swapnil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to ask their question? If not, then we will close the session. Yeah.
I had a question for Saru.
Yes,
again.
Shaila. Okay, Shaila.
Saru, this question is about Tushar. You know, in business also and in
I'm sorry, Shaila, but we've lost your voice. I think your network is running a little low on bandwidth. Can you type your question in? I think she's low.
Can you disconnected, ma'am?
No, she's connected. She's there. Yeah, Shaila, can you just repeat your question? Yeah, now we can hear you. Please continue.
My question is related to my husband, and you know, he has always been working under his father, which is correct for every son. But now he's started taking responsibilities, and you know, he has a lot of ideas about new businesses. Yet he's been a little suppressed. Like, he's not been given that much power, and you know, that is how things are. So I really want to know that till when, or you know, will he ever be independent enough to take those decisions in business and in personal life also?
Okay, so I'll just take out a yes or no rune first to understand whether he'll be as independent and both financially and at the house as you want, right? I'll take out a rune for yes and no. Right. So the rune that I have gotten for you is Ehvaz, which tells me that, there's a lot of loyalty that he has. There's a lot of teamwork that he values. And there is a lot of, at his core, what he loves is, being in momentum with not just by himself, but as an entire team, right? And maybe that's what his biggest strength is. So the day he wants it, he shall have it. But he somewhere values this teamwork way too much to be, on the path that I think you want him to be on.
I think. Okay, it's okay. I don't think the second question is valid, then it's okay.
If there's anything else you want to know about it or any situation?
No, not currently. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Pallavi has raised her hand. Can we have Pallavi and her question, please?
Yeah, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Actually, I just wanted to know about my daddy. He's unable to walk. He's in Jaipur with my sister in Jaipur. He's unable to walk. So I
Okay.
don't know whether he's going to recover his walk or not.
And is there any particular person you would like to answer this question?
Rupali?
Rupali ji, please.
The rune that I got is Fehu. Fehu is a good rune. It's a positive rune. Yes, he will walk, but at present he has lost his self-confidence. So he has to work, go to his inner self. He has to gain confidence, and then he is going to be in a good state of health very soon.
Hoping for the best results. Thank you.
Any other question?
I just wanted to know that I'm unable to find myself. I feel I'm lost, neglected. So I just want to know that how can I come over it?
Overcome.
Rupali ji, go ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, having a bit cold, so unable to speak.
No, it's okay, please. Not a problem.
The rune that I got is Dagaz. Pallavi, it says that love yourself and accept yourself as you are. Work with yourself.
This is what my motto is. Everybody to love yourself first and then others, but still I'm unable to come over it.
And the best part is, I think first time as you walk, I got the same rune like her, exactly same rune like her. So it's like, you have, for these questions, I think you don't even need runes.
Obviously.
So that's why I was smiling to myself when you asked this question.
That's true.
Any other question, Pallavi?
No, thank you so much.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, Rupali ji and Viola. Any other questions, anybody, that we can help you with? Any last questions before we wrap up this session? I think we're all sorted here. Thank you, everybody, for coming and being a part of this event and giving my girls a chance to showcase their talent and their knowledge. Thank you all for being here. It's been a pleasure being with you.
Thank you so much to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm sharing
Thank
their
you.
contacts and WhatsApp group links and numbers. Please save them, and you're most welcome in getting in touch with them whenever you need their help. I will just share your details. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, and see you all. Have a
Thank
safe
you.
Thank you. Have a
weekend,
good
safe
day.
week. Enjoy yourself, everybody. Girls, please remain back after everybody's left. I would need a few minutes with you.